Yes, students. So the next poem we have is My Heart Leaps When I Behold. Behold means to see, to look, देखना. And my heart leaps, matlab my heart jumps with pleasure when I behold. So it is written by William Wordsworth. He is generally acclaimed the high priest of nature and was a poet blessed with an unusual sensitivity. He loved every object of nature, its beauty and quietness with a rare intensity. He was content not merely to rejoice, he saw more deeply to find the secret springs of this joy. He was a philosopher, poet who could, with a rare blend of thought and emotion, convey the idea of the being that is in the clouds and in the air, the divine essential that permeates all objects of nature. So William Wordsworth was, called the high priest of nature because he thought that nature is everything. Nature is your teacher, nature is your mother. It is your priest. It is everything. It teaches you a lot, right? And he considered nature a divine entity because he thought that it's something divine that permeates, that resides in all objects of nature. So he would learn all his lessons of life from nature. So in this poem also he says that my heart leaps when I behold. What does he behold? What does he see? He looks at the rainbow in the sky and his heart leaps. His heart jumps with pleasure when he looks at a rainbow in the sky, right? So it's a powerful expression of the poet's love and fascination for nature's myriad manifestations, different objects of nature, how they unfold themselves. He has nurtured a lifelong possession for many a splendid spectacle, the rainbow. It has the perennial fount of abundant joy since his infancy. The sight of the rainbow keeps enthralling him in his adulthood. He ardently wishes that the heart would respond to the power and glory of the rainbow with the same intensity in his old age as well. In the event of the cooling of his passion for rainbow, he would prefer to bid farewell to life. In this way, childhood fancy for rainbow has generated his later day fascination for the rainbow. It is in this specific sense that child is the father of man, which at first strikes us as a paradox. So he says that when he beholds a rainbow in the sky, his heart jumps, his heart leaps with pleasure, right? It leaps with pleasure, it jumps with pleasure, and he says that it continues to grow as he ages. जैसे जैसे उसकी एज हो रही है, जैसे जैसे वो बड़ा हो रहा है, his love for rainbow, his fascination for rainbow also grows. And he says, I wish that it continues to grow as I am also growing older. And if it stops, it does not happen like this, then I would wish to die. But I would really wish that my love for nature also continues to grow as I am also growing old. And if in case it does not happen, I would rather wish to die. So in this way he says that childhood की जो आपकी एक मेमोरी होती है, आपकी जो चाइल्डहुड फैसिनेशंस होती हैं, दे हैव अ लॉन्ग इम्पैक्ट, दे हैव अ लास्टिंग इम्पैक्ट ऑन यू इवन इन योर ओल्ड एज, राइट? सो चाइल्डहुड, in this way, child is the father of the man. My heart leaps when I behold a rainbow in the sky. He says that my heart leaps, my heart jumps when I behold a rainbow in the sky. When I behold a rainbow in the sky, so was it when my life began. And he says कि it has always been like this. It has ever been like this when I was a child, right? When my life began, when I was a child, at that time also I would enjoy rainbow in the sky. So is it now I am a man, and still even today it is like this. Now I am grown man, but even today I enjoy a rainbow in the sky. So be it when I shall grow old, and so I wish that it should be when I am old. I wish that I enjoy rainbow in the sky even if I am old. And in case it does not happen, I would wish to die. Right? I would rather like to die. Okay? So the child is the father of man, and I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural pity. He says that childhood memories, childhood fascinations, imaginations, they keep growing in your old age also. They go along with you in your old age. So this is how child is the father of man, and also you can say that child is the father of man. How? Because children are closer to heaven and God and wishes to stay connected to, and that is why he probably wishes to stay connected to his childhood. He says that child is the father of man. अब इसके 3-4 मतलब निकलते हैं. एक तो ये कि जो आपकी चाइल्डहुड फॉन्ड मेमोरीज होती हैं, दे गो अलॉन्ग विद यू इन योर ओल्ड एज ऑल्सो, एंड this is and that becomes a very powerful source for you to survive. At times good memories होती हैं जिनके सहारे कई लोग they spend their whole life. So in this way also, and also you can say that because children are more close to God, they are closer to heaven and God. So जो child like एक innocence होती है, एक हमारी एक जो प्योरिटी होती है, चाइल्ड लाइक प्योरिटी एंड इनोसेंस, ही विशेस दैट इट कि वो जो है उसके अंदर कभी ख़त्म ना हो. ही डज़ नॉट वॉन्ट टू बी रियली become cruel in this cruel world. He wants to maintain that childhood innocence and purity even in his old age. So he says that I want to stay connected to my childhood, and thereby I want to stay connected to God. And also he says, I wish my days to be bound each to each by natural pity. That people, he says that I wish कि मेरा जो each and every day है, I wish that it is connected with natural bond. I am more connected with God each passing day. I am more connected with the nature each passing day. He says that people should maintain their childlike bond well into adulthood and old age. Right? So each passing day he wants to feel closer to nature, he wants to feel closer to God, and thereby maintain this bond. Right? So this is how he treats rainbow, not only as an object of nature but also as something which has a natural something which has something divine in it. Right? Because he considers nature as a divine entity. So rainbow is not just a rainbow as we human beings look at it. It is, for the poet, it is something divine, that it connects him back to, it reconnects him to with his childhood, with innocence, with purity, with childlike innocence and purity, which he would like to maintain all his life, otherwise he would wish to die. Thank you.